Salam, salam, everyone. Have you ever looked up at the night sky, seen a shooting star blazing across, and thought, what's really inside that streak of light? Is it made of fire, stardust, or maybe something even stranger? Today, we're going to break open the mystery, literally, and find out what's inside a shooting star. Stick around because what scientists discovered is going to surprise you. Part 1. The misconception. First, let's clear one myth. Shooting stars are not actual stars falling from the sky. Real stars are massive balls of gas, millions of times bigger than the Earth. If one of those fell, well, we wouldn't be here talking about it. So what we call a shooting star is actually something much smaller, a meteoroid, a tiny piece of rock, metal, or cosmic dust zooming through space. Part 2. The theory show. When a meteoroid slams into Earth's atmosphere at incredible speeds, we're talking 11 to 72 kilometers per second, by the way, it crashes into air molecules, heats up, and burns bright. That glowing streak is the meteor, the shooting star that we see. But here's the real question. If we could crack open one of these cosmic travelers, what would we find inside? That means when you see the shooting star, you might just be watching the spark of life itself. Part 4. Fun twist a little bit. Let's twist it up. And here's a fun fact. Some meteorites are so metallic that if you slice and polish them, they look like futuristic art. Others are so carbon rich, they smell like burnt barbecue. And here's part 5 where we close this up. So the next time you wish upon a shooting star, remember, you're looking at a tiny space rock carrying metals, crystals, and maybe even the seeds of life, burning up in a beautiful cosmic show. Pretty magical, right? If you love this journey, hit the like button, subscribe for more space mysteries, and tell me in the comments, what would you wish for if you caught a shooting star?